We train our students to pursue excellence, to pursue knowledge, to pursue the path of discovery, at the same time be connected always with the nature, with the surrounding, their environment, with other cultures, interact with their community.
He has to be well-rounded, and that's what I believe in, and that's why I chose NIT University, because what I came to know about NIT University, like especially if you look at the emblem, the theme of NIT University, Adi Anant. Now that talks of a completeness. It's not just a part of one faculty being developed.
In terms of arts and in terms of sports, this university it's kind of, they don't count this as an extracurricular activity, they count it as an co-curricular activity.
In our endeavor to give the students our best, we have made collaborations with different industry research labs and academia in India and USA.
We are proud to associate a few good Fortune 500 corporates like Amazon, SAP Labs, some government agencies like DRDO, CSIR. From the industrial top-notch brands, we have Microsoft Research, IBM Research Lab. Very recently, we had a collaboration with Cognizant, and we are among a very few universities in the country to associate with SAP Labs.
I'm glad I made the decision to join NIT University. Had I joined any other university, I would just be a senior manager at a bank. NIT University has made me something far bigger, a life manager.
What's unique about our course is the faculty. We have faculty coming in from the industry, teaching us with their experience, as well as people coming in, established and experienced teachers coming in and helping us and mentoring us.
Research in cognitive science and the emergence of convergence technologies is indicating a shift in how information is produced and accessed externally and how information acquisition and processing takes place internally. This is what the educational technology area at NIT University is all about.
We have very intimate interaction with the students as well as their parents. We have a dedicated team which regularly interacts with the students and makes sure that each and every problem is given due importance and is taken care in a very time-bound manner.
It's funny because when I first came here, I was very looking forward to going back home, probably every weekend, and now I don't want to go back home, and when I come back here to college, it feels like I came back home.
NIT ने अब अपना कैंपस शुरू किया है और हम इसको अपने बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं, तो इसमें डालना शायद हमारे लिए सबसे सेफ होगा। टीचर्स से हमने बात करी, उनसे बात करके हमें लगा कि बच्चा बिल्कुल सेफ हैंड्स में जा रहा है।
To get a backdrop of Aravallis is absolutely exclusive, and we've been very, very fortunate to have acquired such a pristine place, cradled right in the midst of nature.
I have not just studied at NIT University, I have grown as a person. So I go in there, I try out my interests, and then I realize I am meant for debating or I am meant for playing the guitar. And that is how my interests developed as an individual. And when I found people who shared the same interests as I did, it turned out to be a wonderful experience.
After my son joined in NIT University, I have noticed a lot of changes in his behavior and also personality. Patience, self-esteem, organizing capacity, listening capacity have been increased a lot.
Certain sorrow and sadness in leaving this place. After all, as I said, it's become a home away from home. The life that I will lead after this, because of what this university has given me, will undoubtedly be amazing. There are no words to describe the life I'm going to have.